Hey you guys, so today's video is going to be about this softener slash dryer sheets that I was able to make. You will never have to buy dryer sheets ever again. If you continue watching, I'll show you how and what exactly this does for your clothes. It's amazing. So here's what you're gonna need for this DIY. You can use a jar like this. I actually have this from a while ago. I used to put cookies in here, so I'm just gonna use this. 2 of these sponges from Dollar Tree. You can buy as many as you need depending on how many sponges you want to use. And also this fabric softener. It's also from the Dollar Tree. And a pair of scissors. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna start off by opening this up. Getting the sponges out. Open this up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half. Right? And then I'm gonna cut it again because I want really small ones, because I normally use a couple at a time. And then I'm gonna also cut this in half. You can make these the size that you want, however you want. Is up to you. How small, how big, it's up to you. I'm gonna cut this up as well. And I'm gonna cut this. The first time I made these, I only cut them once and used it like that, but this time I'm gonna make them a little smaller. Right? Perfect. Next, you're gonna drop them in your jar. Right? Now I'm gonna pour my softener in here. I'm gonna empty all of it in there. Now you can add some water in here. Put some hot water in here. A little bit, and I'm gonna pour that. I filled the water up to the top. I'm gonna pour that in here. Right? Because this jar is bigger than the one that I used before, you would actually need 2 of these, but for the sake of show, I'm gonna leave it like that. Close it up. And I'm gonna let this sit for at least 2 to 3 hours before I even start to use it. You can store it in your laundry room or anywhere you like. When you're ready to use it, you just open, grab one, squeeze a little bit, right? And you're going to put it right in your dryer. You can put as many as you like. I normally put at least 2. Squeeze a little bit, put it in your dryer like that, and then you just close your dryer and you let that, and that's it. And when you take your clothes out, your clothes smells so good. This is definitely worth it. It saves a lot of money. You don't have to pay for dryer sheets and softener. You can use this and have a 2-in-1 deal. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.